HoverCam Solo 8Plus 13 megapixel document camera with built-in mic. Real classroom results. The HoverCam Solo 8Plus 13 megapixel document camera with built-in mic for Mac and PC, 4K video, is a USB-powered document camera built for educators, presenters, and professionals who need crystal clear visuals without a complicated setup. You plug it into your computer, open the software, and within seconds, you are projecting documents, objects, or student work in stunning 4K resolution. No power adapter needed, no extra cables. It folds flat and fits into a laptop bag, so it travels wherever you do. At 13 megapixels with a 5-element f2.0 precision lens, it captures details that ordinary webcams simply cannot match. Whether you are teaching remotely or presenting in a full classroom, it gives every person in the room a front row seat. Imagine never dealing with blurry, pixelated class displays again. Here are the wins that actually matter to your daily workflow. First, true uncompressed 4K video at 30 frames per second means nothing important gets lost in a pixelated blur. Second, the built-in microphone with integrated noise reduction captures your voice cleanly, so remote students hear you clearly without background interference. Third, the 480 times zoom system, combining 6 times ASR zoom, 10 times mechanical zoom, and 8 times digital zoom, lets you fill the entire screen with the smallest detail on a page. Here is where it gets interesting. The included Flex 11 software suite adds annotation tools, whiteboard features, split-screen viewing, OCR scanning with PDF export, text recognition, and even 120 frames per second slow-motion recording. You get a complete interactive teaching toolkit, not just a camera. The Solo 8 Plus also works seamlessly with Zoom, Skype, Google Hangouts, and interactive boards. What would fewer technical disruptions do for your lessons? That is worth thinking about. Picture a teacher trying to show a detailed map in a textbook to 30 students over Zoom. Before, she propped her phone awkwardly over the book, got a blurry image, and spent 3 minutes apologizing for the quality. Students tuned out. After setting up the HoverCam Solo 8 Plus, she positioned the arm over the book in seconds. The autofocus locked instantly. Students could read every label without asking her to zoom in manually. She annotated directly on the live image using the Flex 11 tools and saved the session as a recorded lesson for absent students. She admitted she hesitated at first, unsure if the software would be too complicated. It was not. Plug in, launch, teach. That turning point was obvious within the first class. The transformation felt immediate, not gradual. And that kind of clarity changes how students actually engage with the material. After testing a few options, one thing became clear. Don't just pick any document camera. Make sure it has true, uncompressed 4K output with intelligent autofocus, so you never waste your time on blurry, unusable footage during a live lesson again. The HoverCam Solo 8 Plus delivers exactly that. B&H Photo confirmed the specifications independently, noting its 13 megapixel sensor, 5-element f2.0 lens, 480 times zoom capability, and 720p at 120 frames per second slow motion recording. Kit Guru style verified testing from educational tech reviewers confirms seamless integration with Zoom and Google Hangouts out of the box. One YouTube educator reviewing the camera directly called it possibly the best document camera ever built. An elementary school teacher noted it made a significant difference in how she presents materials to her class. A medical educator added that the plug-and-play design lets them move it between rooms without any technical issues. And if the software feels like a concern, the Flex 11 suite is preloaded and ready immediately. Comment which matters most to you: image clarity, audio quality, or teaching flexibility. The HoverCam Solo 8 Plus 13 megapixel document camera with built-in mic for Mac and PC, 4K video, gives educators and professionals one clean, powerful tool for showing, recording, and teaching with genuine clarity.
Thousands of classrooms and remote learning environments already rely on it daily. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your setup. I have dropped my link in the description and pinned it. You deserve a camera that works as hard as you do.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.